Hello, everybody. So I know I'm supposed to start with the song. That's my formula, but we're going to be using a capo for the next song here. And even though I was in tune, every time I put the capo on, I tune up again. That's just a little tip. Like all the stuff I've talked about intonation before, part of the problem is the high frets. High frets means when you're putting the capo down, you're pressing right down to the wood, so you're best to tune up. Tune up when you put the capo on. I really need to put this on wheels. Alright, Tom Petty, Running Down a Dream. You know, the more I dive into Tom Petty stuff, the more I like it because it's verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. There's no bridges or pre-choruses. It doesn't change. Just nice, straightforward stuff. Okay. So, capo's on. So, chords we are using on this one, which is going to be your E, open, 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 because we got the capo on. We need a D. So since we have the capo on, we can't do a normal D, so we're going to do 4, 3, 2. Actually, let's do it in relation to the capo. So this now is 0 fret. So we're going to be doing 3, 2, 1. We're going to need a G, which we're going to bar as 3, 3, 3. Or sorry, 2, 2, 2 with the capo. And an A. And the A we're going to do open, 1, 2, no, 1, 4, 1, 3, sorry. Yeah, it sounds better with the high. And that's it. So the A was open, 1, 3. Alright, now the intro and in between breaks. So honestly, we can't technically do it on a Merlin because we don't have enough notes, but we can make it sound like it works. So honestly, we need to go 7 on the guitar frets. It's 7, 6, 5, 3. Now we got the 7, we got the 5, we got the 3, but we don't have the 6. So in Merlin frets, it is 4, 3, and 2 in relation to the capo, right? So now there's a couple ways of doing this, and if you watch the way I did it in the beginning, I throw a couple different ways in there because they all work. They all get this job done. That's a stupid way of saying it, but so if we're gonna do it like it really should do it, you got to do a bend on your third. See, now that time I didn't do any bend. I just hit the third twice. That time I went 4, 3, 2, 2. And that's the way I usually do it. 4, 3, 2, 2. And on the last two I kind of bend and release. Now, and when you're doing it in a full strum, maybe the diehard fans are gonna know, but like I said, you only got a certain amount of notes on a Merlin, and you gotta make do. So let's just do that slow. That's it. The rest from there is all strumming. So you do that to start 4 times. And then on the fourth time you just stay in the E. To the D, back to the E. Now you do that 1 time in between the verse parts. So you do it once and then back to the D. To the D. E. Now we got the chorus, so A, C, E. And then back up. E, G, A. That's the whole song. Now, if you can't do the A chord, you can do the bar on the 3rd fret. That's it. That's the whole song. The reason I don't do the bar on the 3rd fret for the A is because I've explained in past videos. I think the longer the string, the more it vibrates, the better it sounds. So the closer you get up here, the strings don't vibrate as much and it doesn't sound as good. So I think, as for my opinion, the more the string vibrates, the closer you can get to your nut, the better it sounds. That's my opinion. You can disagree, that's fine. Okay, that's it. Just a quick shout out to Dan, one of my subscribers. He sent me some strings a long time ago, but I never put them on because my other ones were still good. They lasted a long time, that combination I came up with last time. So I put them on, but all 3 Tom Petty's songs were done with these strings, and I ordered new ones. They're not bad strings. He gets them from CB Giddy, or what is that? Cigar Box, yeah, CB Giddy. You can buy bulk strings there. Actually, if you look in there, they have like a little 5-inch resonator cone that would fit the Merlin so well, and I looked at it, but it sits too high, so there's not enough string clearance. Otherwise, I would have done it a long time ago. Anyways, they're not bad strings. They're just not my taste. They're more warm sounding, and I like the more bright sounding. So that's all it is. I ordered some new stuff to try, some new strings to try, and I'll let you know what I think of those ones. They're actually real dulcimer strings this time I'm getting in, and I'm not getting a mix match. But this is the last set I'm going to try, and if I don't like them, then I'm just going to start staying with what I did last time with my Martin strings. Just buying guitar packs and using and having a bunch of spares for guitars later on, I guess. Actually, no, I figured out is if you buy a string set for a 12-string guitar, and you have both the D model and the G model, you use all those strings except 4. So you can, and the Martin ones, you can get them online for like $8. So if I ever get the G model, which I've got plans, and we'll talk about that in an upcoming video, then those 12 string packs are gonna work out perfect for that. But for now, we'll stick with what we have. I was actually thinking about doing something stupid with a Merlin here soon, modifying one. That would be another future video. Anyways, Tom Petty. Just another thing too. Okay. I don't know, a lot of times, a lot of us are busy. We don't have time to sit down and watch a 4-hour documentary. But if you got time and you like Tom Petty at all, on Netflix, there's a 4-hour documentary about his everything. It's just an awesome watch. I watched it a couple months ago. I definitely, if you're into his music at all. So when it's one of those things too, it didn't feel like 4 hours. Like the Eagles documentary, that was 4 hours. By the end of that, I was just thinking, well, you guys are all assholes. Why am I even watching it? And you actually see it in the video too. They even admit they're all assholes. But after 4 hours, like, okay, is this over yet? The Tom Petty one wasn't like that. But I like Tom Petty's music. I like the Eagles' music too. But I'm done. Why am I still talking? Practice patience. Have fun. We will see you guys next time.